It's kind of giving us the finger right now. And it is oil-free, maintenance-free. That's not a good sound. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on this. This is the car known as the Disco Inferno. Why? Well, because the entire engine went up in flames. This was, I want to say, over a year ago, maybe a year and a half ago. I worked on the car off and on, and then I just let it be because I was so tired of working on the car. Well, she is back in the lineup, and today we are going to see if we can get her to run. One thing we're going to check is vacuum leaks. That will prevent any car from running. So I have a new product we're going to use. We're going to check for leaks. We're going to see if we can inflate the glove right here and see if this car wants to be back on the road. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to... What are you going to say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
And here's what we're going to be using right here. This is the Yantu AM37 oil-free portable air compressor. Retail $229 on Amazon. This is a small size, high flow design, 175 liters per minute. Once again, it is oil-free, maintenance-free. There's an S-shaped dual muffler system as well for noise reduction. And you can see we have two different filters for the air coming into the machine. This is supposed to be really super quiet, 70 decibels. It has 1.2 horsepower. And it only weighs 27 pounds. In my box, I also received an extra hose right here to inflate the tires, and I received a quality TG03 tire inflator, and yes, we're going to put that to the test because some of these tires, after sitting for so long, have deflated. So we're going to give this a test. We're going to hook this up to my smoke detector, which is right up there. We're going to input the smoke right in through here, and we're going to check for leaks all through here. But once again, we're focusing on the Yantu AM37. We're going to give it a test. We'll have a link to the product below the video. I'll even put one on the screen right here for you. So please check out the Yantu oil-free portable air compressor. So I have 7 pounds of pressure here, and this is nice. This little blue display tells you exactly what you've got. So let's just kind of see what's happening here. Are you ready? 6.5, 6.6. That's not very loud at all. Look how fast the tire is going up. 17. 20. 26, 27. 31, almost 32. There you go, 32.3. And there you go. How quick is that? They say that this little machine will power 3 air nail guns at the same time, which is pretty cool. So for $229, you need a very quick system to power up whatever it is you're going to power, to paint, to blow off a car with air, to do a smoke test, or fill your tires with air. Yeah, this machine is something you should probably check out. I love it. We have everything connected, and as you can see, the glove is rising. Okay, so the air compressor is going to turn on and off as needed. But look at that. Here we go. We've got the smoke flowing through here, and what we're going to be looking for, any smoke coming out through here, okay? I have used this for so many different cars. I really like it. It's kind of giving us the finger right now, but that's okay. And there it is. That's quiet. That is really a quiet compressor. My other one Old school Harbor Freight, it's bigger and it is so much louder. It really, really is. I don't see any leaks yet, do you guys? I really don't. Except for this piece, which I need to put in, which goes, well, where's it go? This piece goes right here. There we go. Okay. We are still looking. Come on, baby girl. I don't know if I want to leak or if I don't want to leak. I don't think I want to leak. Just one less thing I got to fix. Let's go ahead and do a sound comparison, a noise comparison. We've heard the Yantu. Let's go ahead and bring in the Harbor Freight. Now this is bigger. This is 1.3 horsepower, and it's got a bigger tank. But listen to the difference in noise. Big difference. So yeah, that's a big difference, and it takes a long time to fill up the tank, but that is really loud. Really loud. Well, we're back. It's another day, and I just got off the phone with a guy here in Tulsa who knows a lot, I mean a lot, about these old Mercedes. And he wanted me to check the wiring to the EHA valve right here. He wanted me to check the cold start. If this is stuck open, it's getting too much gas, and when I regulate the fuel pressure, you know, I can kind of get it started. So he wanted me to check that. And then he said to disconnect this so more air gets into the system. When I did that, this happened. Oil is coming out of the dipstick, and I got a huge pile of oil right there. So I want you guys to watch. Okay, I've got that plugged back up, but just watch what happens when I try to start this car. If this doesn't work, I really am. I'm just going to send it on to the crusher, part it out. I don't care. I'm done with it. I'm sorry. The Disco Inferno's time has come and gone. I mean, I wanted to bring her back to life, and I'm sick of her. I really am. That's what I want you to pay attention to right there, okay? Well, that's not a good sound. That's not supposed to happen. That's really not. So I think it's goodbye car. I really do, because this is crazy. This is cuckoo. Well, in a weird way, I feel like Jed Clampett.
And then one day he was shooting at some food, and up through the ground come a bubbling crude.
Yeah, that bubbling crude coming up from the ground or from my oil dipstick. It's pretty amazing.
Oil, that is, black gold, Texas tea.
Yeah, that was just one of the many, many surprises this old girl has thrown my way in the, how many years have I had this car? I don't even know. 2, maybe? 1.5, maybe? I don't know. She's come a long way, but she still has a long, long way to go. So, I hate to say this, and for everyone who thought there was life left in the Disco Inferno, maybe there is. It's just, I can't. I'm not doing this anymore. I have wasted so much time and so much money in this crazy little car that I think it's time to find someone else to fall in love with her and get her back on the road, because I've got other projects that I have to do that have become more popular than this on the channel. And that's not how I judge cars, whether I fix them or not. It's just if I feel like it's worth my time and if they really want to come back to life. And this car, I don't know. She hasn't given me a whole bunch of signs that she wants to get back on the road. So It is time. We're going to let her go, folks. I've already put her on Craigslist, and believe it or not, I have probably 20 to 25 people who were interested in her, and I've been completely honest. I said, issues, bubble and crude, coming up from the dipstick. I told them everything that I've redone. We've rebuilt the fuel distributor. We have the new fuel pressure regulator right there. We have new hoses, new little rubber connectors, new injectors, I think spark plugs. What else have we done? K10 relay back there, fuel pump, fuel filter in the back. I've done a lot, and I just don't have it in my bones anymore. So with that, somebody is coming today to take a look at her, and if this person likes her, he's just going to roll her on down the road and keep working with her and hopefully get her back on the road. All right? So it's time for me to kind of clean up all of my stuff. As you can see, we have, let go. There we go. We have a bunch of stuff on the top I've got to clean up. I've got to kind of reassemble the parts of the engine that I have off. I have the owner's manual right there ready to go. So we'll just kind of get her ready for this person to come and take a look at her. And if this guy doesn't buy her, then there's another guy, and another guy, and another guy, and another guy, and 2 from Texas, and 1 from Kansas, and I think 1 or 2 from Arkansas. So there is a huge interest in her. I just don't see myself doing it, all right? So we're going to say so long and farewell with a little montage of me kind of cleaning her up and getting her ready to go. But I do have to tell you, if you guys are looking for a really nice, here's something positive out of all of this, a very nice little pump. Oh crap, did I just close the door? Well, another thing that's broken is the latch right here. And now, well, that's going to be fun to get open. Anyway, if you are looking for a nice pump right here, this one by Yantu, we'll have a discount code below. We will have the information for you right here. It is nice. It is super quiet, and it'll do everything that you ask it to do. So please go and check that out. But as far as this car, we're saying goodbye. Well, this is how we end the story. This is Nick, and this is Nick's new car. And he got his cousin right over there? Yeah, there you go. And the car's going to a new home. Nick is new to Mercedes. He's gonna love it. He's really excited about this. Oh, we're losing it. Go back a little bit. There you go. Go left. I am. No, you didn't. Go left. All right. Left. Back wheel's almost on. The ramp, not there. I'm off the brake. Yeah, ramp's under the car. Is there a body builder?
I do have a jacket in the back. Let me get that.
It's right there. Hang on, bub.
Oh, he's going anywhere.
I think it's on the frame. Jack ain't the quietest.
No. They do good stuff.
Under the tire? Yeah. You get it so high, the people roll over. Lift up a little bit. Okay. Yeah. I'll go up with it a little bit. suspension was great. That's how you know it works.
Be careful.
Come this way if you can with it.
Now I got another one if you need another one.
It is. It'll be close. I think it'll work. Well, we
Want
push
the
it. We push. I think it'll go. Do it. There it is. Yeah, that's that one. Got your mouth the e-brake, Nate? Need e-brake? Yeah, e-brake. Ready? Ready to go. One more. Okay. Woo! All right.
All right, we did it. There it is, folks. Say so long to the Mercedes, going to a new home. Yay!